What is the definition of a hobby? A regular activity done for enjoyment during leisure time without a primary goal of making a profit, though sometimes it can generate income. I don't know what counts as a hobby and what doesn't. Okay, skating, like skateboarding, that counts. Sewing. Sitting in the sun, does that count as a hobby? I think it does, because a regular activity done for enjoyment. Okay, this is where it gets me. Regular activity done. I haven't sewn anything in a long time, and I don't regularly do it because I did it full time for 2 years. But anyways, sitting in the sun, done for enjoyment, yes. Leisure time, yeah. Not making money from it. So sitting in the sun is a hobby of mine. I just don't even want to put this one on here, but working out. I'm getting tired already and it's 11:20 a.m. I think matcha will bring my personality back. Matcha does something to me. It makes me really focused. It makes me less stressed and more hyper psycho, more like myself. It's actually crazy how much what you eat affects your body, your mind, everything, your mood. Because I ate like total crap yesterday. I did not eat enough protein. I just ate a bunch of random snacks. For dinner, I just had garlic fries. And I'm wondering why I'm feeling so weird and off. But also I'm about to start my period, so I'm eating some mangoes. Also, I've been trying to incorporate breakfast back into my life because I haven't been eating breakfast for like over a year, but it's really hard. But I got my skateboard with me, so whenever I see a smooth looking yummy road, that's when I'm gonna skate. Going to get some matcha right now because yeah, then go thrifting. I split it up between things I do out of the house versus in the house, so because it makes more sense in my brain that way. I just don't want to be an idiot loser that doesn't have hobbies. Like, that's so uninteresting and ugly, and I don't like it. And I just want to be able to, like, when people ask me, what do you do for fun? I don't know what to tell them. I work towards my goals. Is that what you want to hear? What are your goals? None of your business. This is what I tell people. I say I grew up skiing. I like to ski. I skate sometimes. I say sometimes because I don't even skate anymore. And I say I like to sew, but I haven't sewn in so long. So am I just lying? What I actually have been doing the past 2 weeks though is practicing Spanish, stretching for the splits. Those are like my actual hobbies by the book. But what gets me in the definition, it says like things you enjoy in your leisure time. These are like my goals that I'm trying to achieve. So like I need to separate. Well, is there a separation between goals and hobbies? It's like, because there comes to a point where working on things that are my goals, that will get me to my goals, it's not necessarily things I enjoy doing in my spare time. It's like, I know I want to do these things, but do I enjoy doing them? I don't know. I need to stop being so serious. I feel like I am just too serious right now. It's crazy though, like 3 sips into the matcha, I already feel like life is worth living again. I just can't be caught walking around with like a scowl on my face like this. Like, that's embarrassing. Every like 3 weeks, I'm like reevaluate my life and want to change every single thing about it. I don't know. It's weird. Oh my god.
No, no, no. You don't love me, and I know now.
Okay. at the thrift store, what I'm looking for more shirts, like undershirts like this. This is like a little tank top that's like cute for layering. I'm looking for something that I can alter to fulfill my sewing hobby. And I'm looking for like a little container that has like a lid that's cute, probably ceramic, that I can put like my vitamins in, so it's like not in an ugly like whatever container it came in. And whatever else sparks my interest or catches my eye, I don't know. I'm done with this gum. I know this happens for people in bookstores, but for me it's thrift stores. Like as soon as you walk into the store, you have to go number 2. It's like this smell. Like people say like it's the smell of books that does it to them. Mine, for me, it's the smell of like old clothes and like at thrift stores. I don't know. So hopefully when I walk in, I won't have to go number 2 because I don't like using public restrooms. I will hold it and race home. Okay. I have like a love-hate relationship with my hair right now. It looks different every single day. I swear to God, it's like, I love you a little more and I love you all over again and again and again. I wish I had deodorant, but it's okay. All right, thrift gods. I used to thrift 10 hours a week when I had my clothing business to find clothes to upcycle. So I know what I'm doing. I got the tips. I know what to look for. I know how to do it efficiently. I know I can see the potential. I have the vision for weird shit you wouldn't expect to buy. I don't know, when like a cute shirt is next to a bunch of ugly stuff, it's like hard to see the vision, but like you gotta like picture it in your head. All right, these glasses are fucking ugly. Dude, there's something wrong with me. I have like a rage inside me. I think it's because I'm gonna start my period, but holy fuck, holy, I have been so negative Nelly recently, and it's like, dude, shut. Okay, also I need to stop cussing. Whatever. I only paid for parking for 40 minutes, so it's an in and out situation, and plus I parked like a 6-minute walk away. So that means I have like 25 minutes, which honestly, I would rather rush than not, because it's just stressful. Like shopping is stressful. You have to like make so many decisions, and it's like very draining. I love having shopping problems.
You want to come through? Let me throw you. No, it's fine.
Super quick thrift haul, and then I'm going to show you what I want to alter a little bit with my sewing machine. I don't know if I should try this stuff on, because did you guys see that TikTok where the girl bought a bunch of sweaters and they were infested with bed bugs? Also, I don't have a washer here. I took it to the laundromat. But anyways, cute. It's from Fashion Nova, it says, but it looks really cute. I don't really know how I feel about turtlenecks on me, but I thought this was kind of cute. I try to get colors that I know I look good in. This like burnt orange is super cute. I feel like it brings out, I don't know. I wouldn't mind cool autumn, warm autumn or something, I don't know. But I love like basic camis like this for layering. And then this super fashionista tube top dress, adorable. I like the different patterns. It like, you would think it wouldn't work, but it does, just because it's the same shade of brown. This is from Madewell. This kind of seems like my vibe. I didn't get like any pants because I feel like I don't really need pants, but I told myself I'm only gonna buy jeans or pants if there's something like unique about them that sticks out to me, like a cute little detail or something like that, or else I don't need more pants. And then this is from Free People. I was just tempted to buy it because it's from Free People, but this is the back. I don't really know how I feel about it. What I'm going to upcycle today, this pink cardigan. I was thinking about making it into a wrap top. Okay, I'm breaking the roll already. I'm trying it on. I'm thinking I can cut off the bottom layer, the bottom part, and make that like the straight. This is probably the worst so in this worst hem you've ever seen in your life, but I don't care. No. And then the other thing I want to not really upcycle, but just like tailor a little bit. I think this is a swimsuit top. I think. Okay, cutie. I pretty much just want to take it in like that much so it's like skin tight to me. Okay, this is the before. What the? I think I forgot or left this tank top somewhere. I had a green tank top. I remember. Let me go look in my car. Oh my god, I think when I set down some of my stuff when I first got there to show you guys like what I got so far, that green tank top, I think I forgot to pick it up again. And I saw a girl with the same green top in her pile. I was like, oh, there must have been like more than one. It was so cute. I'm such an idiot. It was only $3. Whatever. It still works. If you're wondering why my bed looks like this, I have a Murphy bed. To conclude, I care too much, but I also don't care enough. I literally don't know what to do. I don't know what a hobby is. Please tell me in the comments, because if a hobby is something you do regularly that you enjoy, both of those things I don't know. The only thing I can think of is like making videos. But is that technically for monetary gain? Yes, I could skate more, but like, I like it, but I don't love it. I guess it's fun. Like, do I force myself to do these things? Then is that a hobby? I still want to stretch for the splits today. That is something that I don't want to do, but I feel way better after I do it, is stretching. I feel like I'm on the verge of crashing out. Sometimes you just need to cry, I think. I don't know. I wish I had a solution. I wish I had like a conclusion. This is something I'm just figuring out, I guess. It's a dilemma that I am solving right now. But okay, my room is a disaster. It's totally fine. Maybe I'm just like a season in my life where I am finding balance in a career and just taking a step towards my goals and achieving them. I don't know. No, I could literally cry. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, but why do I care this much about fucking hobbies? Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Hobbies. I need to reread this book. Don't believe everything you think. It's about not overthinking. My boyfriend's gonna be here in like 6 minutes, so I have to get ready for dinner. Bye.